Ever felt like your brain is a brilliant but sometimes chaotic library, and you just need a super efficient librarian to find what you need? Welcome to the era of AI. Forget just asking ChatGPT, write me an essay. We're diving into how to truly converse with this powerful tool to make your college life not just easier, but smarter and way more productive. Get ready to elevate your academic game. Now let's dive into the foundation, your RCTFC playbook. Alright, future AI whisperers, before we dive into the juicy prompts, let's talk about the secret sauce to making ChatGPT truly shine, RCTFC. Think of it as your 5-star recipe for getting exactly what you want, every single time. It's like giving your AI assistant a clear job description, a helpful backstory, a precise mission, a blueprint for the output, and a few guardrails. Without RCTFC, you're essentially just shouting into the void and hoping for the best. With it, you're orchestrating a symphony of helpfulness. We'll break down each element, ensuring you're not just throwing words at the AI, but crafting intelligent requests that yield brilliant results. This isn't just about getting an answer. It's about getting the right answer, perfectly tailored to your needs. Let's kick off our RCTFC journey with a practical example. Here, we've asked ChatGPT to be an academic coach. That's our role. Our context clearly states we're a freshman struggling with a dense textbook on supply and demand. The task is specific. Explain the laws of supply and demand simply, with examples. We've dictated the format, 2 paragraphs, each with a bulleted example. Finally, our constraints ensure beginner-friendly language, no jargon, and a concise word count. This prompt isn't just a question. It's a well-organized request designed for precision. Notice how each piece builds on the last, guiding the AI toward a perfect, tailored response. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. By clearly defining each RCTFC element, our prompt steered ChatGPT to deliver an explanation that was not only accurate, but also perfectly suited for a freshman economics student. The academic coach role ensured the tone was supportive and instructional. The detailed context helped ChatGPT understand the user's knowledge level, preventing overly complex responses. Specifying the task and format ensured we received distinct explanations for supply and demand, each with its own relatable example, exactly as requested. And those constraints? They were the magic touch that kept the language accessible and the length manageable, avoiding an overwhelming wall of text. It's a prime example of how thoughtful prompting transforms a generic AI into your personal, highly effective learning assistant. Understanding RCTFC empowers you to communicate precisely with AI, getting relevant, tailored outputs. It's about being the conductor of your AI orchestra. Now let's dive into prompt 1. The Brainstorming Dynamo. College life often feels like a never-ending brainstorming session, whether it's for an essay, a group project, or even just deciding what to eat for dinner. But sometimes, your brain hits a wall thicker than your dorm room walls. This is where ChatGPT, armed with a strategic prompt, becomes your personal brainstorming dynamo. Instead of staring blankly at a blinking cursor, you can now tap into an endless fount of ideas, angles, and structures. We're talking about turning those "I have no idea where to start" moments into "Wow, I have too many great ideas" moments. This prompt is your secret weapon for kicking off any academic task with confidence and a burst of brilliant possibilities. Let's put our brainstorming dynamo to the test. For this prompt, our role is a creative brainstorming partner because we want diverse, innovative ideas. The context clearly outlines the essay's topic, length, and target demographic. The task is precise. Generate 5 distinct thesis statements, each with 3 supporting arguments. This ensures we're not just getting general ideas, but structured thoughts. Our format dictates a numbered list for clarity. Finally, constraints keep us focused. Arguable theses, ethical and psychological impacts, and an explicit exclusion of political impacts. This robust prompt guides the AI to generate highly relevant and actionable brainstorming material. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, Use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. By framing ChatGPT as a creative brainstorming partner, the AI adopted a more inventive and expansive approach to idea generation, which is exactly what you need when you're staring at a blank page. The specific context about the essay and Gen Z ensured the ideas were immediately relevant to the assignment. Requesting both thesis statements and supporting arguments in the task helped us jumpstart our outline, rather than just getting raw concepts. The clear format made the output easy to digest and use immediately. And by including those constraints on what to focus on and what to avoid, we prevented irrelevant suggestions and kept the brainstorming session highly targeted. It's like having a brilliant co-author helping you plot out your next masterpiece. AI can be your ultimate creative collaborator, turning writer's block into a launching pad for brilliant ideas. Now let's dive into prompt 2, the academic architect. Let's be honest, college often feels like a tsunami of information. Lectures, textbooks, articles. It's a lot to absorb, and even more to remember. This next prompt turns ChatGPT into your personal academic architect, helping you build concise, digestible summaries and perfectly structured notes from vast amounts of information. Imagine transforming a dense research paper into a few bullet points of pure gold, or distilling a rambling lecture into actionable study material. This isn't about skipping the reading. It's about making your reading and learning infinitely more efficient, ensuring you grasp the core concepts without drowning in details. Get ready to reclaim your study time. Now let's deploy our academic architect to tackle information overload. Our role here is a concise academic summarizer, aiming for brevity and accuracy. The context is crucial. We've embedded the actual lecture notes on classical conditioning right into the prompt. This way, ChatGPT has all the data it needs. Our task is clear: summarize key concepts. The format guides the output to be a paragraph and bullet points, catering to different learning styles, and the constraints ensure the paragraph is succinct and the language remains accessible for a beginner. This prompt transforms raw information into structured, easy-to-digest knowledge. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. By giving ChatGPT the role of a concise academic summarizer and embedding the complete text in the context, we effectively handed it a textbook and asked for the Cliffs Notes. The specific task to summarize key concepts ensured it didn't just rephrase, but actually identified and extracted the core ideas. The requested format of a paragraph, followed by bullet points, organized the information beautifully, making it perfect for quick review or flashcard creation. And those constraints, particularly the word limit and simple language, were instrumental in delivering a summary that was both accurate and incredibly easy to understand. It's like having a highly efficient research assistant who always knows exactly what to highlight. It can distill complex information into actionable knowledge, saving you time and boosting comprehension. Now let's dive into prompt 3, the Study Buddy Sensei. Exam season can feel like traversing a mental minefield, right? But what if you had an expert study buddy, a true sensei, who could instantly whip up personalized study guides and practice questions for any topic? This prompt empowers you to do just that, transforming ChatGPT into your ultimate exam preparation companion. Forget generic online quizzes. We're talking about custom-made learning tools specifically designed for your courses and your learning styles. This is about actively engaging with your material, identifying knowledge gaps, and walking into that exam room feeling genuinely prepared and confident. Let's make exam prep less stressful and much more effective. Let's get ready for exam success with our Study Buddy Sensei. Here, our role is a biology exam prep creator, setting the expectation for structured, educational output. The context is critical. We've specified the course, the exam topic, and the exact stages of cellular respiration to cover. This ensures focused and relevant content. Our task is to create both a mini study guide and multiple choice questions with answers, providing a dual-pronged approach to revision. The format precisely dictates how the study guide and questions should be structured, making them immediately usable. And the constraints ensure the questions test understanding are of moderate difficulty and avoid overwhelming detail. This prompt builds your personalized test prep kit. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. By assigning the role of a biology exam prep creator and providing explicit context about the specific exam topics, we transformed ChatGPT into a highly specialized tutor. The task to create both a study guide and multiple-choice questions meant we got a comprehensive study tool. The detailed format, from bullet points under headings to clearly marked answers, made the output incredibly user-friendly and ready for immediate use. Crucially, the constraints, especially requesting questions that test understanding and setting a moderate difficulty, pushed the AI to generate genuinely helpful practice material, not just simple recall questions. It's like having a personalized exam constructor that knows exactly what you need to ace your test. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a powerful academic partner when you know how to wield it. Mastering RCTFC and these prompt types transforms it into your personal brainstorming guru, academic assistant, and study sensei, making college not just manageable, but truly brilliant. Wow, you've just unlocked some serious academic superpowers. We started by demystifying RCTFC, your role, context, task, format, and constraints, proving that structured communication with AI isn't just a good idea, it's a game changer. Then we unleashed the Brainstorming Dynamo, showing you how to transform a blank page into a goldmine of ideas for any assignment. Next, the academic architect helped you tame the information beast, turning dense notes and articles into concise, actionable summaries. And finally, your Study Buddy Sensei demonstrated how to craft personalized study guides and practice questions, making exam prep less of a nightmare and more of a victory lap. Remember, ChatGPT isn't here to do your thinking for you, but to amplify it, to be your intelligent sidekick. So go forth, college students, and prompt with confidence, creativity, and a hefty dose of wit. Your academic journey just got a whole lot more exciting. So, you've leveled up your prompting skills. Don't keep these secrets to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and share this video and the lab guide with your fellow students. What's the wildest, most unexpected way you'll use these prompts in your next assignment? Let us know in the comments, or reach out to us via the contact